Hello students, in the last video we learned the test of similarities. In that we learned SSS test, ASA test or SAS test and AA test. Now today we are going to study theorem, that is when two triangles are similar, the ratio of areas of those triangles is equal to the ratio of square of their corresponding sides. Now according to the statement only, first we have to draw the figures. So these two triangles are similar, it is given, that's why ABC and PQR, these are the two triangles which are similar to each other. Now from this first write given, so triangle ABC similar to triangle, this is the symbol of similar, triangle PQR, and if these two triangles are similar, then the ratio of those triangle is equal to the ratio of square of their corresponding sides. So in this figure, side AB corresponding side to of the another triangle is PQ. BC, now here QR, these are the corresponding sides. AC and PR, these are the corresponding sides of these both triangles, and AD and PS, these are also corresponding sides, which these are the heights of this triangle. Now what we have to prove here? The ratio of areas of, so area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR, it is equal to the ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. So AB square upon PQ square, it is equal to AC square upon AC square corresponding side is PR square, it is equal to BC square upon QR square. These are the corresponding sides as it is equal to the ratio of squares. These are the squares. Now from that first we have to write proof. We have to prove this theorem. Now area of triangle ABC, as we know that here area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR, it is equal to, we know that in the first part we learn when these two triangles height and base is given, then the ratio of areas of two triangle, it is equal to the ratio of product of their corresponding height and base. So here their corresponding height and base is here, it will come area of triangle ABC, in that base is BC into height is AD upon area of triangle PQR, the area is here, base is in that triangle QR into PS, which is the height. Now this only we are writing separately here, BC upon QR into AD upon PS. This is the first equation. Now here actually here it is the, we are using the formula only, area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 upon 2 base into height, but 1 upon 2 it will cancel, and the ratio of areas of two triangle is equal to the ratio of product of their corresponding height and base. Now in triangle ABD, in triangle ABD and triangle ABD and triangle PQS, in this triangle area angle B is equal to, this is also given, angle B is equal to angle Q. These two angles are equal, it is given. This angle is also equal to this angle. Angle B is equal to angle Q, it is given. And angle ADB, is equal to angle PSQ, it is equal to 90 degree. each of 90 degree. That's why these both are equal. And if two angles are equal, then these two triangles are similar by, therefore triangle ADB, it is equal to triangle PSQ or PQS. ADB is equal to PSQ and by AATS, because these two angles are equal. And if these two triangles, similar here, ADB is similar to triangle PSQ by AATS. So when these two triangles are similar, then their corresponding, the ratio of their corresponding sides are also equal. Therefore, we can write AB upon PQ, AB upon PQ, it is equal to AD upon PS. That is here 2. 1, 2. Now in triangle ABC, and triangle PQR, in triangle ABC and PQR, AB upon PQ, AB upon PQ, ABC and PQR, these two triangles are similar, already it is given. Okay, triangle ABC. Now here triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, it is given. Therefore, AB upon PQ, it is equal to AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. That is third. Now from 1, 2 and 3, from 1, 2 and 3 we can write, therefore area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR, it is equal to, here it is given BC upon QR into AD upon PS. So BC upon QR means here, AD upon PS means what we have to write? AD upon PS means AB upon PQ, and AB upon PQ means what here? BC upon QR. So first I am writing this, then you will understand. BC upon QR into AD upon PS from 1. So here it is equal to, instead of this AD upon BC upon QR into AD upon PS means here AB upon PQ, it is from 2. Instead of this AB upon PQ, here from 2. This. Then instead of this now we can write it is equal to BC upon QR into, and AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. BC upon QR, it is from 3. And therefore area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to BC square upon QR square. So here only we can write, therefore it is equal to BC square upon QR square from 3. Hence proof. I hope you have understood this theorem. How to prove this? The ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. Thank you, students.